Hi guys, this is Shumon from ASA Technical. Today I am going to show you an offline repair process to fix integrity violations of protected system files of Windows. And also this method will help to fix corrupt system files in Windows, clean up Windows image and help to restore system health. Before starting this procedure, I will recommend you at first try to fix this issue by using online repair process because it is simple and easy to understand. Check out the tutorial link in the description below. However, if the online repair process is unable to fix it, then try this advanced method. I'm sure it will definitely help to fix this problem. So let's get started. In order to fix that problem, at first you will need a Windows installation media according to the same version of your Windows. If you don't have a Windows installation media, then see the tutorial link in the description below. However, now just insert your created USB bootable drive on your computer's USB port. Next, turn on your computer and be ready to enter your PC's BIOS with hitting on F2 repeatedly to start the BIOS setup utility. My BIOS key is F2. Check your motherboard manufacturer information to find your BIOS key. Next, go to Boot tab. Now, just select your inserted USB boot device using up and down arrow key on the keyboard. For key instructions, you can see the BIOS item, specific help. Next, move your USB boot device upwards of the list using F6 key to select and configure as primary boot device. Next, go to Exit menu and select Exit Saving Changes option. Next, Yes, and hit Enter to save configuration changes and exit from BIOS. Now wait, it will take you to Windows installation and recovery environment. Now click on Next and click on Repair your computer. Next, Troubleshoot. Next, Command Prompt. Now you have to find out your system drive letter where your Windows are installed. Now type the command bcdedit and hit enter to find out your OS drive letter. Okay, as you can see, my system drive letter is C. And system root path location showing /Windows in all capital letters. And if your system root path location showing in all small letters, then no problem. Now type the system repair command sfc space /scan now space /opbootdir equals to your system drive letter colon /space /opwindir equals to your system drive letter colon / your system root path location. Maintain the same block or small format as it is showing on system root path locations. Now hit enter to run. Now keep patient and don't close this scan and repair operation until it's completed. This might take several minutes, so I just skip this boring part. After completing the process, as you can see the status, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Now type exit and hit enter. Now turn off your system. Turn on your computer and be ready to enter your PC's BIOS. Next, go to Boot tab. Now just select your HDD or SSD boot device. Next, Move your HDD or SSD boot device upwards of the list using F6 key to select and configure as primary boot device. Next, go to Exit menu and select Exit Saving Changes option. Next, yes and hit enter to save configuration changes and exit from BIOS and remove the Windows installation media. Okay, as you can see, it's working properly. We hope you will like. Of course, let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.